Elon Musk has found himself at the center of a raging fire once again, and this time he's standing against Netflix with his 227 million followers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech updates. The world's richest man and founder of X posted a tweet on his own platform, echoing a post by the conservative account Libs of TikTok, which accused Netflix of promoting transgender propaganda. The outrage was taking a hit on the animated series Dead End Paranormal Park, which features LGBTQ+ characters and Netflix's crazy efforts to include diversity and representation. Musk didn't mince words when he called on his followers to cancel Netflix for the health of your kids. The post quickly went viral, feeding into an already divided online debate. And guess what? Netflix shares dipped 2% on Wednesday and dropped another 2% on Thursday. Yep, 4% in just 2 days, which is rare for a streaming giant going strong for years. Elon's criticism might be rooting from his own home, as in 2022, his eldest daughter, Vivian Jenna Wilson, publicly transitioned and legally changed both her name and gender identity. Vivian also cut ties with Musk, stating she no longer wished to be associated with him in any way, shape, or form. Elon Musk blamed her transition on what he calls the woke mind virus, a term he uses for gender ideologies, and claimed that the elite California school she attended has brainwashed her. Some have taken Musk's call to cancel Netflix personal, saying he's using a moral argument to push his own issues. But to his supporters, it's a stand against what they believe is too much political messaging in kids' shows. Either way, Elon Musk's boycott has intensified the fire over media representation, parental rights, and the future of streaming, turning your Netflix subscription into yet another political statement. So, whose side are you on? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.